Equations reducible to linear form. Generally, a real number consists of two things: algebraic sign, which is responsible for deciding direction, left or right, starting from 0 on number line represented by negative or positive. The second thing is the number, which is responsible to determine how far is the number from 0 without any reference to direction. By absolute value of a number, we mean just the number part without any reference to the algebraic sign. So if you have a negative number, let's say minus 3, then absolute value of minus 3 will be represented by placing a straight bars around 3, minus 3. So let's place these bars, and because the number itself, minus 3, is less than 0, is a negative number, so we place a negative sign outside and then write the number itself, minus 3, so that the answer is only 3, because negative times negative is gone and we are left with only the number 3. But if we had a positive number, let's say plus 5, then we don't need this negative to make this plus sign disappear. Rather, plus 5 is only 5. So for negative numbers, if we are taking absolute value, then we place a negative sign outside to find the value of that absolute value of that number. And for positive numbers, we just place the number itself. So this is what is being reflected in the definition here, that x mod is equal to simply x when x is positive, and it is equal to minus x when x is negative. Let's get started, and we will solve some linear equations with absolute value of the variable present in the equation. And such equations, by the way, are called absolute valued equations. Let's get started here with the first question. The first question is 2x mod is equal to 6. This is given equation. So if this is given equation, then whenever there is a mod of variable involved, we will break that mod into two possibilities. One, maybe x is positive, one time it may be negative. So the way we will start, and this will always happen, one time we are going to write 2x equal to 6, and another time we are going to write 2x equal to minus 6. So while taking any variable out of modulus sign, one time we are going to write it plus, one time we are going to write it minus, and then we will solve both of these equations separately. So here this is 2x divided by 2 on both sides, because that's how we solve equations, linear equations. And here we get is x equal to 3. So this is one solution. And the other equation, which is 2x equal to minus 3, if we do the same thing with that, this would be 2x over 2 equal to minus 6 over 3 or 2. This would be equal to x equal to minus 3. So this way the solution set that there are two possible values, x equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 3. So we can say solution set means the possible values which can satisfy this equation are either plus 3 or minus 3. Both are the possibilities. But if in the question, if it was given that x is only a natural number, then we would only take 1. This would be minus 3 here. So let's get to the next question. The second question is 2x plus 3 mod given equation is 2x plus 3 mod minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So our strategy would be, first we will isolate the mod. So the strategy is that isolate mod number 2, break the given mod into 2, positive and negative, and third, find solution. Find solution. So this way we can do this 2x plus 3 mod minus 3, and this 2 which was dividing on left hand side will be multiplied on the other side and will give us 8 times 2, and now this will give us 2x plus 3 mod minus 3 equal to 16, and still we are working on the first step. We want to isolate the modulus value, which is 2x plus 3 mod, so we need to take this 3 on the other side as well. So this way we will have 2x plus 3 mod minus 3 equal to 16, and we will add 3 here and we will add 3 here. So this way we can get 2x plus 3 mod equal to 19, and our first step of the strategy is complete, and now we are going to change this into two distinct equations, like I said in the first question, that either 2x plus 3 is equal to 19 plus 19, or 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 19. So we will solve both of these equations separately. If this is the case, then for solving we need to isolate x, the variable on one side. This will give us 2x plus 3 equal to 19, and then take away 3 for transferring it from left side to the right side, and minus 3 on the other side as well. So this should give us 2x equal to 16. This is going to give us 2x is equal to 16, 2, and divide this side by 2. This would give us x equal to 8, and the other side will be 2x plus 3 equal to minus 19, and we will be subtracting 3 again from both sides, minus 3, and that should give us 2x is equal to minus 22, and now we will divide both sides by 2 to get the value for x. This will be equal to minus 22 divided by 2, and this should give us x equal to minus 11. So here are the two values of x which could possibly satisfy the given equation, and now we are able to write solution set. Solution set is equal to 8 and minus 11.